Let's create an aqua cloud watercolor background with masked lettering on top. In this tutorial, we'll paint a dreamy, puffy cloud on watercolor cards using Ecoline watercolor ink. We'll also add a 3D shadow effect on the lettering using a Fude brush pen. For a list of materials, please refer to the description below. Let's get started.
Step 1. Prepare your materials. Before starting, make sure your paintbrush is clean and dry. Prepare some tissue paper for drying your brush after cleaning. Step 2. Paint the cloud silhouette. Dip your clean, dry paintbrush into the Ecoline watercolor ink bottle. Using circular motions, paint the cloud shape onto your watercolor card. If your brush becomes too dry, dip it lightly in water to help spread the paint and shape the clouds. Step 3. Tilt your card to blend. Tilt your card to let the ink flow and blend naturally. Be careful not to use too much water as it may seep under the masked lettering. Step 4. Let the paint dry. Set the card aside to let the cloud background dry completely. Step 5. Add your letter shadows. Once the background is dry, use a teal-colored brush pen to create a 3D shadow effect on the lettering. Apply full pressure with the brush pen at a consistent angle along the edges of the letters to create a 3D shadow, giving the words more depth and making the lettering stand out. Step 6. Add final touches. Transfer a few drops of Ecoline ink to a palette or a small strip of washi tape. Dip your paintbrush into the ink on the washi tape and draw circles of various sizes around the cloud shape. Vary the concentration of ink and water to create dots with different shades of teal, adding depth and variety to your design. There you have it, a stunning watercolor card with an aqua cloud background and a 3D shadow effect on the lettering. This technique adds a whimsical and artistic touch to your cards. Now, let's speed things up and show you some examples of this technique in action.
Are you eager to add a splash of color and recreate this project? Discover the joy of painting with these watercolor cards. Links in the description will lead you to your own set of 16 exquisitely lettered mask cards. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to show your support by giving me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more creative inspiration. Share your masterpiece with me on social media by tagging me at nicong.co. I can't wait to see your unique spin on this project. If you have any questions or need clarification, drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm excited to continue our creative journey together in the next tutorial.